Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome everyone. It's Mohammed Yusuf Sharif, an active member of English for Knowledge sharing channel. Of course, it's your channel. It's a positive, educative, and creative sharing channel. Friends and viewers who are interested in speaking English, please stay with us all the time. Visit our channel all the time. I think you can speak English one to to be able to speak English fluently. Okay, what about I'm going to talk today? And it's how can we speak English? How can we speak English using adjective, using noun, using verb? In my previous clips, I told you how can you speak English using adjective, how can you speak English using the verbs. So today I'm going to talk you about how can you speak English using noun. Just using noun, no subject, no object, no structure. Just using noun we can speak English. If we would be able to engage our word stop, we can speak English inshallah. If we would be able to engage our word stop, we can speak English inshallah. My today's topic is how can we speak English. We can speak English using noun. So before starting my class, what is noun? Noun means object, person, things. Noun means object. Noun means person, like you, like Korea, like animal. Noun means goods. Noun means things. Noun means a pen. Noun means this is microphone. This is jacket. This is shirt. This is bottom. Nouns. So using only noun we can speak English. Using only noun. Now I am giving you some example of noun. Very important example of noun. We can speak English. Noun means to mention something. Cow, goat, chair, table. Okay, now I'm giving you some example of noun. Very important noun. Rice, food, force, water, clean water, pen, notebook, paper, computer, mobile phone, calculator, house, mosque, market, road, pond, river, sea, stream, camel, land, sky, happiness, goodness, craziness, laziness, school, college, university, madrasa, temple, mosque, church, shopping mall, shop, notebook, chair, table, clothes, garments, shirt, pant, trouser, sunglass, cap. Yes, sunglass, it's also a noun. Man, woman, animal, birds, fish or fishes. Man, woman, boys, girls, boy, girl. Those are all important nouns. I think I told you some noun, very important noun. Of course, you think me positive. My noun is very important noun. So if you can enrich your stop related with noun, you can speak English. I'm giving you an example. Suppose you want to visit a shopping mall. You want to buy something. So when you want to buy something, that time you can say bucket. I need a bucket. I need a pen. I need a phone, smartphone. I need a sunglass. I need some potato. I need some food. I need some rice. Okay, I need a calculator. So just using calculator, egg, potato, sunglass, mobile phone. Just using on the noun, you can speak English. Okay, thank you so much. I'm sorry, my video clip is very bad. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.